needing a bit of help. We've got a bit of a disaster in the polytunnel, and I mean genuinely wouldn't mind some help really. There's something going on. I thought we got magnesium deficiency in my beans, which we might still have, but I've been feeding it magnesium as instructed. But let me show you. Hold on, camera around the other way. I've come down this morning, and apart from the fact my shade netting has fallen down, I'll just pull that back up again. Look. Now what's that all about? There's nothing on the back of the leaves. And they've been watered in the mornings. But two of them are looking very sad for themselves. Hubby reckons maybe the pots aren't deep enough. I put my hand there to give you a feel. But you see, this one is coming out of a grow bag and seems to be doing really, really well. Over here, the fourth one, these are cucumbers, by the way, not beans. Did I say beans? We're beginning to go. That's why I'm coming onto YouTube for help. Now, this morning, I omitted to water my courgette plants. Look at those. Now, I'm not worried about those because when I finish this video, I'm going to water them. And those courgettes are coming along beautifully. But I know that these will bounce back as soon as I give them some water. But it's really hot. It's 33 degrees outside the polytunnel. Probably a feel of, I don't know, 35, 36. And over the next few days, we're going to get up to the 40s, mid 40s. So if any of you that know, have some experience of these things, could put something in the comments for me below, I'd really appreciate it. If you need to ask me anything to find out what's been happening, then also bung that in the comments. Will be appreciated. All right, over and out. Today's harvest, although we'll have more later on because we've only got one duck egg, and I think we're going to get another 2 or 3 today. Interestingly, in Portugal, different to UK, don't know about other parts of the world, maybe somebody might let me know in the comments, these cucumbers have knobbly bits on. These are 3 baby ones that I picked because I followed Charles Dowding on a gardening YouTube video, really good chap, and he says, although it breaks your heart, pick off the first cucumbers as babies and it will strengthen the plant. And then, look at my courgette, she says. And then 2 lemons because I'm just about to make, now what was it called? A lemon yogurt cake. I'll let you know how it goes. Never done that before. And to finish, the happy ever after story, hopefully, is, look, my courgette plants have bounced back after I watered them. Told you they would. Good ear, isn't it?